Roasted whole chicken recipe, Gordon Ramsay style. We'll start by combining 2 tablespoons of butter with dried tarragon. Then, we'll stir all the ingredients together. I'll gently slide this fragrant compound butter under the skin of the chicken, pushing it evenly throughout to ensure maximum flavor. Don't be shy and try to use all the butter. Then I'm gonna season the chicken generously with freshly ground black pepper and salt. For the stuffing, we'll start with fresh chickpeas, which I've already boiled for about an hour. We'll season with salt, black pepper, and thyme. We'll mix everything well to combine the flavors. For a bit of a spicy kick, we'll chop up some hot peppers. I think it's gonna be really spicy, but let's follow the recipe. We're gonna add the chilies to the chickpeas in, little glug of olive oil, then zest the lemon, and we mix all that. Then we take our stuffing and carefully stuff it inside the chicken. Then tuck a whole lemon inside. This is what Gordon Ramsay did in his YouTube video, but I'll add potatoes, carrots, additional peppers, and 2 whole heads of garlic. Finally, I'll drizzle a touch of olive oil on top. With everything prepped and ready, we'll cover the chicken with aluminum foil and head outside to let the wood-fired oven work its wonders. I've already preheated the oven 1 hour before, and the internal temperature is now around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll spread the coals left and right to create a space. Then I'm going to slide the roasting pan into the center of the oven. I will give this chicken 1 hour to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Fast forward 1 hour later, carefully open the oven door and take out the chicken. Gently remove the aluminum foil. Look at that crispy skin. All that hard work paid off. The chicken looks incredible. To make the skin crispy and golden brown, I will place the chicken back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. It is enough time to share one of my favorite wood-fired oven snacks. We'll take some fresh tomatoes, sprinkle on black pepper, salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Then straight into the oven. Would you look at that? Just soak up that view. This is just one of the reasons I adore having a wood-fired oven in my backyard. Okay, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's carefully remove the chicken from the oven. The flavors of this chicken are absolutely magical. That golden light reflecting off the skin is almost unbearable. I can't resist taking a bite of this wing. Super tender potatoes. These chickpeas are packing some serious heat. I love it. So, this is my version to make this easy and simple roast chicken. I think this recipe might be even better than Gordon Ramsay's, mainly due to the extra flavor and smokiness that comes from roasting the chicken with open fire and flames. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share what you think in the comments below.